Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. At random, I just picked up medicated chapstick. Start 99.9% of my videos with chapstick because it's important to keep your lips moisturized. This is the Crazy Troll Nation of YouTube. The crazy, just enjoying your channel, enjoying the videos you do, and enjoying the channels that you watch. The troll part is not caring too much about what the beauty community standards are. Wear whatever you want to wear, whatever brand, whatever tool, use whatever technique to get your makeup on in a way that you are satisfied with it. Try not to feel like you're living according to someone else's expectations or to what people say you should do. Be happy with what you do. Here at the Crazy Troll Nation of YouTube, we are about self-acceptance and self-love. Embracing your natural features. I just woke up like 20 minutes ago and I did my skincare. So embracing your natural features, this is me. Enhancing them if you want to or when you want to, but never feeling like you have to. Love yourself for who you are and for how you look, even without face paint on. Thank you for being here. I do curse sometimes in my videos because I do curse sometimes in real life. Thank you for being here. If you're new, I see you, I appreciate you. If you've been here before, you are my troll kin, you are family, and you know I appreciate each and every one of you as well. So this video is about channel updates. You've seen a few in the last few days. I admit I'm still getting used to them too. YouTube Studio guides you through different things that you can do. So the newest change is I've done a membership for you to actually join the Crazy Troll Nation. And so in my description box and in the pinned comment for this video, you'll see the link to join. And when you click it, it's not an automatic join. When you click it, it'll tell you what the perks are. And then you can decide if you want to join. I kept it what I thought was reasonable. So it's $2.99 per month. You can cancel at any time, of course. What I'm excited about with the membership is that it will help me to be more focused because you as a member will help me determine what video I'm going to do. At least one video a month will be determined by those of you who join. And so what that will do for you is you will see more of what you want to see, or if you have an idea for a look or a topic and that's the one that the membership community has chosen, that's your video. Like, you did that, you helped me do that, and so it'll give me direction and it'll help you to really understand that I see you and I appreciate you. And I know I say it a lot in my videos, but I really do. And I do enjoy subscriber requests. And I did take that out of what you will see here, that portion in my description box, because I was thinking, what can I do that'll be extra special for those of you who do join? And so I do really feel like, and I hope that it'll just bring us closer together because we'll be deciding together on at least one video a month. And I'm excited about it. Please do just click it to read it. And if you join, of course, I will appreciate that. And ironically, as soon as I did the post, I'm not going to say her name because you'll be able to see who she is because you get a badge. And so if you scroll through the comments and you see a badge, you'll know who it is. And so ironically, the first person that joined was the one who had suggestions on looks with the Salem Cosmetics Forest Heart Palette. So it just worked out that way. And I am just super excited. And my heart almost, it felt like it was going to jump out of my chest because I'm like, I just posted this and she's here already. And you know who you are. I appreciate you and I appreciate all of you. And so this is just real short, real quick. And I'm hoping all the changes are not throwing you off or disorienting to you or taking away from your viewing pleasure of my videos. And, you know, leave your comments below. And I look forward to what we're going to do. I will be doing members only community posts. And it's in those posts that I'll be doing polls and where we'll determine, well, you'll determine what I'm going to do. And then I'll keep doing posts with polls for members to help fine tune what that idea is. And so that's the main thing. And I am, as I said, really hoping and really thinking it is just going to bring us closer together than we already are. And so thank you for being here. As always, self-acceptance, self-love, You will see me in the next video.